What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. All right, you guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree. I'm in the Dollar location and I'm noticing a lot of new Easter items. These are so cute. Super cute. 2 to a pack little eggs. Oh, look at the tiny erasers. We also have little coloring cups that come with the coloring tablets. Little eggs. They don't open up. All of the pretty mesh. I've been getting some requests to show the mesh. Mesh requests. Look at that one. Oh, so pretty. Lots and lots of mesh. Aww. Look at these little guys. Aren't they cute? Gnome bunnies. Bunny gnomes. Aww, and they're so soft. We also have purple. I love these. They're adorable. Really adorable. The little DIY sort of brushed white faux wood little pieces. Easter grass. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Oh, look. Okay, we have the bunny. We have the birdie. Now we just need a gator. These are so pretty. Super pretty. And this is the last brown bunny here, the little weighted bunnies. The cute little pom-pom kits. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Felt craft kits, look at that. So cute. Aw, look. Those are adorable. Jumbo coloring books. Take a look inside. So cute. All the little bunnies. Happy Easter. The little beveled edge bunnies. Color your own ornaments. Welcome. Look at this little one. Aww. And then of course, the ribbons. These are the wire edge ribbons. And the little monogram eggs. Those are really cute. Those are glass. And then over here, we have the cute R.M. Palmer bunnies. We have the Oreo, I think it's like a cookies and cream bunny. And then we have the white chocolate bunny. And then we have the double crisp bunnies. Easter Smarties. What are these? Gummy bunnies, individually wrapped. Oh, look at that. Peanut butter filled eggs. Also in milk chocolate. What are these? Cow tail minis in strawberry smoothie. You already know I gotta get some of these. Ooh, what are these? Bunnies and chicks. marshmallow candy by the Spangler brand. Ooh. Tiger Pops, Easter Pops, jelly beans, of course. We also have Now and Later jelly beans. What are these? Warhead watermelon jelly beans, but they're sour watermelon jelly beans. We have Sweet Tart jelly beans. More egg-shaped bubble gum by Double Bubble. The Easter candy is looking really good at Dollar Tree. The Charms Mini Pops, $35 to a bag. Mango, pineapple, kiwi, punch, strawberry starfruit, citrus splash. Peeps, of course. It wouldn't be Easter without the Peeps. Cotton candy, classic party cake, donut shop Peeps, chewy Warhead bunnies. We have Sour Patch Kid bunnies. We have Mike and Ike, Easter treats. We have Junior Mint eggs. Looking over here on the other side, looks like we're gonna have a whole lot more as well. And then tons of spring fling items, containers for potted plants, all different sizes. I think this is a new one. This is kind of a nice size. Meet me at the garden gate. Bless my garden. We have all the little things for fairy gardens and gnome gardens. So many new ones. Look at this little one. He has coral on his head. Pelicans and crabs. Pretty little fairy garden, like pieces with vines and plants and tulips. Dollar Tree always gets me so excited for the new season. All the little garden flags, all the garden tools. Wow, this is a big one. Look at this one. Huge. And we even have some pretty new flower picks. Over here we have some new little garden stakes, some little windmills that I haven't seen yet. I think I've seen this one, but not this color. All things grow with love. Plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love. And then we have the big boxes of seeds, the marigolds, the wildflowers, the zinnias. Dollar Tree has a lot of new items, a lot of pretty new spring items, items for Easter, just all the pretty colors. We're seeing lots of flowers, lots of plants, just all sorts of things to get us in the mood for spring. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. Please consider subscribing if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.